Designing your gig thumbnails for higher clicks is crucial if you want to stand out on platforms like Fiverr, Etsy, or Upwork. Thumbnails are often the first thing potential clients see, and a great one can make all the difference in getting noticed. So, let's dive into how to design thumbnails that grab attention and increase your click-through rate. The first thing you need to understand is that your thumbnail needs to clearly communicate the value of your gig in a split second. Most people make the mistake of overloading their thumbnails with too much text or imagery. Instead, focus on simplicity. Use bold, readable fonts and high contrast colors that stand out. Remember, less is more. Too much going on will make it harder for viewers to understand what you're offering at a glance. Now let's talk about the focal point. Your gig thumbnail should have one clear, visually striking element that draws the eye. Whether it's a product, a model, or a service in action, make sure it's the main focus. This immediately tells potential clients what your gig is about. Also, ensure your image is high quality. Blurry or pixelated thumbnails won't build trust or get clicks. Use a high-res image that clearly represents your service. Next, consider your branding. You should use the same colors and fonts across your thumbnails to create a cohesive look. This helps with recognition, especially if you're offering multiple gigs. Consistency in your design creates a professional feel and reassures viewers that you're serious about your work. One of the most effective strategies for higher clicks is to use contrast to make your thumbnail pop. Contrast is one of the easiest ways to make your thumbnail stand out among the competition. Bright colors, strong contrast between text and background, or using darker images with lighter text can help your thumbnail get noticed faster. Let's not forget the power of text. A short, attention-grabbing text overlay can complement your image. Focus on a few words that explain exactly what you're offering. For example, if you're offering logo design, a thumbnail saying custom logos would work well. Keep the text large enough to be readable on all devices, especially mobile. You want the text to be clear even when your thumbnail is small. One tip that often gets overlooked is testing. Experiment with different designs and track what works best. Try changing colors, fonts, and images to see what resonates most with your audience. Many platforms like Fiverr allow you to test variations of your thumbnails to see which one performs better. This way, you can fine-tune your thumbnail over time and increase your clicks. The software we'll be using today for this tutorial makes all of this easy. I've tried a bunch of the popular tools out there, and this one stood out for its user-friendly interface and powerful features. If you want to follow along with me, you can get an exclusive free trial of this software, available only to viewers of my channel. The link is in the description below. Before we wrap up, let's revisit the key takeaways. Keep it simple. Don't overload your thumbnail with unnecessary elements. Make the focal point of your thumbnail clear and high quality. Use consistent branding for recognition and professionalism. Leverage contrast and readable text to make your thumbnail stand out. Always test different designs to find what works best for you. And remember, to help you design your gig thumbnails for higher clicks, you can access a free trial of the software we used in the description below. Don't miss out on that. Thanks for watching.